I'm not reinventing the wheel here, I know that, but these are real simple latch deals. Oops, you get the picture though. They're pretty neat. I mean, I don't have a latch. I bought this car from the insurance auction on Copart. Didn't come with any keys, so I need to be able to shut the trunk and hold it, and I don't want to deal with getting a key cut. We've stripped the entire car. There's no security, no nothing. So, I mean, I think it turned out pretty cool. I'll try and get how I did the other side on video as well. All right, I've kind of skipped ahead here. What I did was get it actually mounted in the trunk with the stud sticking up and use a paint pen to mark the bottom side, which the trunk is double layered. So I drilled a hole, a bigger hole with the step bit, like a 3/4 inch hole, and then could hit the bottom of the trunk skin again with the paint pen on top of the stud that was mounted. So then I drilled a small hole, and then now I'm drilling out with a step bit the size of the actual latch. Just wanted to kind of clarify. I'd kind of jumped ahead here. And voila, the latch fits right in the hole. Now I got to get the washer and tighten it up on the backside. That's the fun part. I am installing these fancy little push lock deals. Got them off Amazon. I'll show you more here in a minute. They're real simple. I needed a way to hold my trunk down. I didn't want to get real crazy. I didn't want hood latch pins and whatnot, so got these. You mount the stud, pop the button, it goes off real easy. See what I'm talking about here? Bam, fancy. So I've already got started on this side. I drilled one hole. I drilled it from the back side where I could get to it. Marked it with a paint pen and gonna get it installed. When you say crispy and juicy tender, this is the juicy tender. I'm literally messing around this entire time trying to get the washer on the back side of this lock. And when I say it was tough, it was just tight quarters, you know. It's double skin, so I had about an inch of room in between to work with, and it just took a bit. All right, what I did, I mounted this little piece of angle here with two 632 screws. I know this car's nasty. I need to clean it, but I mount my stud right here, and then there's the back side, and that's what it looks like on the front. And I just thought I had trouble before. This is the very fun part right here. You have to get it adjusted out just right. And I guess I got a bad one. That's what I get for spending $12 on something cheap. But the first one, it took me forever to figure out, was just pulling through. It wasn't strong enough to hold the trunk down. And once I finally figured that out, I swapped it out real fast. Had to deal with that washer again. But man, it went like gravy the second time. Just had to get a good one. got it. Check it out, fellas. I'll have one on each side. Bam. It's there. Caps line up good. Pretty cool. And then the spoiler's going to be back on top of it, so it'll be kind of hid. Well, if you made it this far, I appreciate you watching. Sorry for all the background noise. You know, I keep my wife and my son in the shop with me, and they were watching TV. I believe it was Chrisley Knows Best. But I'll leave off the video with a video of my son swinging in the shop. We have a good time. And thanks for the 100 subscribers. Pretty cool. See y'all later. I like it. Swing. Higher the better.